Ordering appetizers.
I am your waitress, Mary.
Hello, Mary. We are all pretty hungry tonight.
While you are looking over the menu, can I interest you in an appetizer?
An appetizer sounds good. Do you have a special menu?
They are listed on the first page of the menu.
The coconut shrimp looks good. Have you ever had that?
Yes. It is excellent.
Good. I'll take that then.
Would you like to split that and choose another appetizer for half price to share?
Good. In the red case, we'll also take an order of onion rings. Thank you.
Have you had enough time to look over the menu?
Yes. We are almost ready to order.
Let me remind you of the specials of the day, which are posted on the board.
Oh. That all sounds so good. Can we get the sauce on the side?
Yes. We would be happy to prepare the food to meet your special needs.
I was wondering if you have any vegetarian choices.
Yes. The roasted vegetable salad is good. And the portobello mushroom burger is also a good choice.
I think that I would like to order the broccoli noodles. Please.
That is an excellent choice. And I could bring you your salads now or bring them with your dinner.
Please bring our salads to us now. We are hungry.
Ordering drinks.
May I take your drink order while you are looking over your menu?
Yes. Do you have a wine list?
The wine list is on the second page of your menu.
Do you have mixed drinks in this restaurant?
Yes. We have a full bar here.
I'm not sure what I want. Do you have any house specials?
Actually, we are famous for our Cuervo Gold margaritas.
That sounds good. Please bring me one of those.
Would you like the drink blended or on the rocks?
I would like it blended.
Would you like it with salt and no salt?
I would like my margarita with no salt. Thank you.
Ordering dessert.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes. We really enjoyed it.
May I interest you in some dessert?
Yes. That sounds great.
We have chocolate mousse cake and a spicy rum apple crisp for our specials.
The apple crisp sounds great.
Since there are 4 of you, would you like to split a second dessert?
Good suggestion. Could you please bring us a chocolate mousse cake and 4 dessert forks? Please.
Would you like coffee or tea with your dessert?
Let's have 4 coffees. Please.
Okay. I will be right back with your desserts and drinks.
Thank you. We have really enjoyed our meal here.
A mistake by the waitress.
Here is your breakfast.
Thanks so much. Miss, I believe I ordered my eggs scrambled. And these are fried.
Sorry. Your friend over there ordered fried eggs. And I gave you his by mistake.
Oh yeah. Here. I will just trade with him.
Here are your pancakes, sir.
But I ordered waffles.
I am so sorry.
That's okay. I will eat my eggs and bacon. And you can take my pancakes back.
Good. Sir. I will take care of that right away.
Thank you so much.